Hey, what's up YouTube? It's been a long time, but we are back with another video. The sound was a little distorted in the original video, so I'll just give you a quick voiceover and a walk around the car. This is one of our recent flips. It is a 2012 BMW 650 xDrive, fully M package. As you can see, it has the red leather interior with sports seats. The interior was actually in a pretty good shape. The car has some scratches. It had a white wrap on it, so the wrap itself was not in an amazing shape, but the good thing was that the paint itself was not damaged. And it also had a 20-inch M rims. The front bumper was not in a great shape. It was falling off on the right side, and also some of the wrap was peeling off there as well.
The car was saying it has low oil. We just added oil, and I'm about to add the coolant. It's the one that goes with all BMWs. So I'm gonna be putting that in right now. You guys see this? It's on. It's not even on the minimum. So we're gonna be putting this in. So we're gonna zip tie this bumper because it keeps falling off. As you guys saw. Yo guys, look at this shit. The fuck? This tire was fucked up. That's crazy.
Look at this.
Oh, what the fuck?
Damn.
No rings though. Maybe he was getting married. You don't know. What is that?
Herbal supplement. Jamaican. I thought it was Jamaican.
That's not weird. Oh, he had the sauce, bro.
Okay.
Why are you driving with the sauce? Calvin Dior. That's Tommy, bro. That shit is fire. No, this shit is fire.
Where's the camera, bro?
Oh shit. No, I was just shooting. I like cop. Throw that shit in the washer. This drip. Oh, I think that's for like skis or some shit.
Oh, that's.
But yeah, that little bag.
No,
Yeah.
it's the bag for.
Oh, what's
It
that?
connects in the thingy.
But check like behind the shit.
Show us some. Oh yeah, take that shit. What is that? We got a battery. guys, so we just finished cleaning. You can see the engine bay looking nice. There you go. We're thinking to put a black metallic wrap to connect this with the front and the back right here. What do you guys think? Think it's gonna look good?